Yeah, good evening, all. Shall we start the class?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, let me start the class. Everyone are able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fine. Last class, I've given introduction about engineering graphics, and I gave the projection of points. Now I'm here to teach you about the orthographic projections. Last time I just gave a few examples. If you have attended, well and good. If not, anyway, I'll just give a brief introduction to this, and I'll just start. Everyone are clear with this picture now? Everyone are able to see the screen? The picture is clear, right? Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Now this is orthographic projections. So orthographic projection is nothing but converting an image, a 3D image into a 2D image, or even 2D image into a 3D image. So you have to just show a 3D image in terms of a 2D picture and 2D picture in terms of a 3D picture. Now in this particular thing, diagram, are everyone are able to see the diagram, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. The arrow mark indicates that is the front view. The front view is nothing but in which view we are seeing the image. So that is your front view. So the arrow mark indicates we are seeing the front view. So that this is the front view. So, and if you see from this side, if you see from the left hand side, that is your left side view. Everyone just adjust to this answer, this 50 particular thing. 50 mm. This is your left hand side view. And what you are able to see from the top is your top view. So you have to show these three drawings with these three views in a separate drawing. So we need to draw the front view, the left side view, and the top view. So front view is visible. What is visible? We need to draw in a separate A3 sheet. So I'll just show the drawing for this particular thing. So what you have, everyone are clear with this picture now?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
if you
sir.
see the
Yes, sir.
front view, if you see the front
Yes, sir.
view, initially you'll get this 30 mm. This 30 mm is visible, and this height of this one, that is 25 mm plus 25 mm and 15 mm on this side, and 15 mm on this side. On the other side, you'll get 30 mm. So this will be visible in the front view. Similarly, in the left side view, if you see this 30 mm is visible, 50 mm is visible, plus this height 25 plus 25 plus 15. This height will be visible. And if you see in the top view, this 40 mm, this 30 mm, and this 50 mm will be visible. So you need to just convert this 3D picture into a 2D picture. So if you see here, what you have seen here is your 3D picture. This is your 3D picture. So for this particular drawing, you need to write the answer. So for that reason, I'm just showing the image. So if you see that one, as I told, in the front view will be you'll be writing on the top, and the top view you'll just draw below the front view. So wherever whatever drawing, let it be, front view will be on the top and top view will be below that one. And on the right hand side, listen here, I'm just repeating it. On the right hand side, you will be drawing the left side view. Why? Because in this particular drawing, the left side view is completely visible. The left side view is completely visible. So for that purpose, what we are doing, we are drawing the same on the right hand side. So with the images, everything, you are just drawing the same thing. And main thing to be noted here is in the introduction class, I've given the hints of how to draw the dotted lines, the dimension lines, everything, different types of pencils being used. So this dotted line indicates hidden part. Hidden part, even this dotted line indicates hidden part. Hidden part is nothing but, if you see this diagram, So that particular hidden part will not be visible in the other view. See, if you see the left side view, the hidden part is nothing but this cut portion, this 30 mm. So this will be not visible in the left hand side view. It is visible only in the front side view. So this particular line will be hidden part. Similarly, in the top view, this particular line is there. This line is hidden. So for that reason, they have showed the hidden lines. Everyone are able to see the drawing? Clear with this one now? This is simple drawing which I am showing.
Yes, sir, clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, if you're clear with this one, uh, can you just take a piece of paper and you can practice it now, or shall I give 2 or 3 explanation and then you can just shall I give homeworks?
It's okay,
As and
sir.
when I
We
teach,
can
can you just
practice
have a
it.
practice of this? Oh, okay, fine. Then for this particular drawing, can you just write in your own the front view, the top view, and the left side view?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, the picture is available. Only thing is hidden part should be drawn in dotted lines. Remaining things you can just all the dimensions will be given. The dimensions for all the parts. If you whatever is visible to you, the dimension will be given. So can you just give a try of this particular simple drawing so that we can just proceed with the next drawing, complicated drawings. I just wanted everyone to practice so that if you are clear, you can ask your doubts and so that we can just proceed further. Just give a simple try of this particular drawing. This is your front view. So whatever the arrow mark indicates, that is your front view. So in front view, what and all, you can write in a freehand sketch. You need not take your scale and other things and draw. With freehand sketch, you can just draw. What are the dimensions visible and what are the parts visible? You can just draw it. Kindly cooperate. Everyone just give a try of this particular drawing. So if you have any doubts, we can just proceed further. So this is your front view. This is your left side view. This 50 dimension is your left side view. And this is your top view. Just a rough sketch will do. Rough sketch of your front view, top view, and your left side view. The only thing is left side view should be drawn on the right hand side. Front view should be at the top. Below that you should draw your top view and left side view will be on the right hand side. Everyone kindly cooperate, just give it simple try because this is a drawing paper, so obviously you need to just draw rough sketches. Yes, everyone, given a try of this particular drawing with the front view, left side view, and the top view. It will be good if I get responses. If you're drawing well and good, if not, give a try. I'll show the answers
Yes, sir.
soon. Shall I show the answers then?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Yes. Yeah. Now this is your front view. So front view, if you see, first you will be able to see this 30 mm distance. Similarly, the height of it will be seen in the left side view only. That is 25 plus 25 plus 15 and 50. That is this particular 30. So this 50 mm distance will be here, and this cut portion is 10 mm. Similarly, height you have drawn here, and this from this particular point to this particular point it is 40, and you will have a just cut portion here with the distance of 30. So this is your complete front view. And if you see the top view, 50 mm was visible, then this 40 mm, this 30 mm. You'll draw one particular rectangle with this 40 mm, with this 30 mm, and this 50 mm. But in the top view, this particular cut portion, the 10 mm cut portion will not be visible in the top view. So for that reason, we have showed that in a dotted lines. We have shown that in a dotted lines. Now, if you see the left side view, if we are able to see, this will be 50 mm, 50 mm, which is visible. This 25 mm height plus 25 mm height plus 15 and 15. This dotted line is nothing but this cut portion. This cut portion is not visible in your left side view. So, for that reason, we have shown that particular line in dotted. Clear with this one now? I hope many have got the correct answers. If not,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
this is the correct answer. Simple drawing. This is a simple drawing. The only thing is this dotted line indicates hidden lines, so which is not visible in this particular view. In left side view, this line is not visible, but the same is visible in the front view. Similarly, this cut portion is visible in the front view, and in the top view it is not visible. So that reason we have just shown in the dotted part. Clear, everyone?
Clear, sir. Clear.
Clear, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. Thank you. Next, this is the first drawing. Next, I'll show the second drawing. We'll just go with simple drawings and we can see. Everyone, are you able to see the drawing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This arrow mark indicates that is the front view. Wherever in whatever drawing in a 3D figure, the arrow mark is shown means that indicates that is your front view. So what will be visible in the front view? If you see in the start, this 80 mm line is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Then height is 5 mm.
5. Yes, sir. 5
Height
mm
is
height.
5. And this particular height, how to find the height of that one? Is it visible anywhere here
No, sir. No, not
in front
visible.
view? Then how
No,
to
sir.
find the same? Any guesses? If you see the left side view, this is 40 mm.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And similarly, as I told, is the height visible?
No, not visible, sir. Height.
Then how to identify the height then? Any guesses?
The height will be identified from the front view.
Front view, but there's no dimensions given. How do you identify? Direct dimension is not given.
So there is a total dimension probably. You will reduce the height that 5 mm. So it will become the height of that front view.
Exactly. If you see for that particular thing, if you see the 25 mm in the left side view, that height is given there. It is not directly given shown in the front view. It is shown in the so-called left side view. If you see the left side view, this 25 mm height will be given. So based on that, that is this 20 mm hole, the dimension of this particular diameter, it is 20 mm. So based on that, we have taken that height as 25 mm. And simple figure, you can just draw the same. If you get the midpoint, you can just draw the same. And only thing here is in the left side view, this small two holes, that is diameter of 10 mm, two holes. This hole will not be visible in the left side view. So that alone will be shown in dotted lines. Similarly, in the front view, the holes will not be visible. So you'll show the dotted lines here. That is the circle. This particular circle is there. That circle should be shown in dotted lines here as well as here. Now, can you just give a simple rough sketch of this one also? Because drawing subjects, you can't just be idle and just listening to the lecture. So kindly just give a simple practice of this drawing. Just draw rough sketches. Rough freehand sketches more than enough. Just show me the front view, the left side view, because here only left side view is clearly visible, and the top view. Just give a rough sketch of this particular drawing now. Dimensions everywhere it is given clearly. So based on that, you can just give a simple try of this one. Yes, people, are you there? Are you able to? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. We try.
Yes, please give a try. Simple drawing. You just give a try. If you have understood, well and good. Just give a simple try. The only thing is that hole is not visible in the front view and left side view. It is only visible in the top view. So the complete hole should be drawn only in the top view. In the side, left side view as well as front view, that hole will be in dotted. So the remaining things you can just draw it.
I have a question.
Yes, please, sir.
How to put the hole in the center in the top view? How to find the center for the hole?
They have given the dimension of this one, sir. You
Okay, so
this 40 mm, this 40 mm is there, plus this 25 mm is there. This distance is 25. This distance is 40.
Yeah.
And you just take the exact center point at the distance of 12 mm from here. From this particular line, take 12 mm distance and keep a point. So from there, draw that particular circle. That rectangle consists of this distance as 45 and this distance is 25 because it is given here 25. So 40 by 25, you'll draw the rectangle and you take a midpoint at a distance of 12 mm from this particular line. From this end point, take 12 mm distance because here it is given. This 12 mm is given here.
Correct.
If you're given
sir,
a
I have
simple
also one
sketch.
doubt.
Yes, sir, please, sir.
Sir, I have one doubt. How
Yes,
to
sir,
get
please,
the
sir.
height you told me, na, height 25
Height 25. So listen here, sir.
How to get
This
the 25? The dia is
few
it
things.
only all right?
Yes, sir. Few things we need to just imagine because it won't. We have to just think it. That is, the total height means this diameter is given as 20, and the remaining
20.
distance we should assume as 5. This height 5 is given.
Okay.
Remaining distance we should assume, even this distance if you see total 30 is given, that diameter 20 is given. So remaining 5 it is you can take here, and this height we should take imaginary point, that is this diameter is 20 and plus this 5 distance. So total height is this is 40 and this is 25. If you have given a try, shall I show the answers, sir?
Sir, I have one more doubt.
Yes, sir, please, sir.
They're giving the diameter showing the 20 mm.
Yes,
but
sir.
Here half circle is there.
Yes, sir.
Which means 10 mm will come or 20 mm will come?
We should take only that is total diameter from this particular point to this particular point is 10 mm, and you get the exact center point and you draw the circle of 20 mm. That is from here, take 10 mm distance. That is radius is 10 mm, sir. You can take a circle of radius 10 mm and draw this one. But the only thing is, in order to identify the particular, that is they've given us diameter as 20, but you should take only 10 mm radius and draw a circle.
Yes, sir, but the height is which means 10 plus 5, 15 it will come now. You are saying
Not 10 plus
25.
5 because the circle is not exactly touching at this particular point because this is an imaginary one. So for that reason we are assuming because few things will not be given directly. So for that reason, we are assuming this height as 20 from this particular point to this particular point, because it is just halfway. It is not exactly touching this particular point. This line is coming here, and this circle is not touching this particular point. So for that reason, we are just taking that one, because few drawings perfect dimensions will be given, and few drawings dimensions will not be given. So we have to just assume few things and complete it. The only thing is here is this half circle is not touching this particular point, 5 mm distance. That is the only reason.
Sir, can you please repeat for me where you came from with the assumption? I'm not understanding the assumption. I was also thinking that since the other one is the
Ah,
diameter, we are considering the radius.
here I'll show with this particular drawing here itself, sir. So the radius is the diameter is 20 mm. So we have drawn only half circle, and we know that in front view only this dimension is given. So remaining in side view, it is not given, exact dimension is not given. So if you see here, able to see here, this particular circle with the 10 mm radius and 20 mm diameter, you have done a circle. That circle is just joining this particular point. If you are able to
Okay.
see, it is not touching this particular line, it is just joining here. So for that reason, we have just taken this particular height as 20. It is just pure assumption,
Okay.
because we have no guarantee of how much it will be exactly. Few things will not be given directly, so we need to assume and draw, because this is direct dimension given as this diameter is 20 and this height is 5. So for that reason, we have taken as 25. The only confirmation here is this circle is not touching this 5 mm line. If you see, this circle line is just here, and we just know this is 10 mm radius. So from here we have not sure about the dimension. So for that reason, we are taking it as 25. Whereas other lines, they have given exact dimension. If you see the top view, 80 is given here, 40 is given here, and the circle will be at the distance of 12 mm from here. So for that reason, we have taken. But here we have to just perfectly assume the same. Clear, sir?
Clear.
Clear, sir.
Okay, then. And I'll show one drawing with the picture itself. That is, I'll explain the same here. Everyone are able to see the drawing here, sir?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so wherever the arrow mark is given, that will be assumed as front
Front
view.
view.
And whichever part is clearly visible, that will be taken as the side view. So if you see here, this is completely left side view. So will be drawn in the right hand side, and the top view will be drawn down. And if you just see this drawing, particular drawing, you can just imagine and draw. If you see here, all these are hidden lines. Left side view, only the box, this box is visible, remaining all are hidden lines. So for that reason, we have shown like this. And here also, total dimension, if you see here, 140 mm distance is given. So 140 mm distance we need to take. And the radius, as I told, this indicates diameter, and radius will be given directly. In case diameter, you need to note down the diameter, it will be given in this particular symbol, 5. So 515 means the diameter is 15 and the radius is 7.5 out here. Are you able to see the drawing, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And without seeing the answer, you can just give a try of this particular drawing, because few will be complicated, few will be simple. So you can just give a try of this particular drawing also. Just give a simple, just try this one also. Here almost everything are perfectly given. There's no indirect dimensions. If direct dimensions are given, you can just take it.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes, sir. Please, sir.
In the front view, there is showing the dot lines.
Dotted lines. Yes, sir. So
Yeah,
this particular cut portion, sir. This particular
okay,
cut portion is there, sir. That is not visible in the front view. If you see in the top view, that is visible. In the
okay, sir.
That is the only reason they have shown in that dotted, sir.
Okay, so also there is not showing any dimension, sir.
Which
How
one,
much
sir?
it will be? The dotted
They
lines.
have given dotted line. They have given here, sir, 20 mm. From here to here,
Okay,
total distance is 40, and the cut portion will be inside 20, sir. And
okay,
from here to here it is 10. From here to here it is 10, sir.
okay, sir.
Sir, when you're drawing a side view, like for this particular drawing,
Yes, sir.
is it because when I see the drawing that you've given us for left side view, it takes in it is showing perspective. So do we always have to make sure that it shows perspective? Because in real sense, these dotted lines are in the same exact line as these two on the side, but I can see you have dotted them and they are a little bit inside to show perspective. Is that
Yes, sir.
compulsory?
So if you see here in this particular side view, the only
Hmm.
thing visible here is this 10 mm and
Hmm.
this 10 mm.
Hmm.
This line and this line is clearly visible,
Hmm.
and the height 30. So we have drawn that particular thing 10 mm with this 30 mm height. Similarly, on this side 10 mm and 30 mm height. If you see,
Hmm.
this line is visible as well as this line. This particular line will be visible in the left side view.
Hmm.
So the remaining this circle as well as this circle as well as this circle is not visible. So for that
Hmm.
reason, we have shown completely in dotted lines.
Ah, okay.
If you see here in the left side view, only this particular portion 10 by 30, and this
Hmm.
is 10 by 30.
Hmm.
Inside 20 by 30 is
20.
will be shown as a box only,
Hmm. Hmm.
but the exact view will be visible in your front view, and the
Ah.
top view. Top view, if you see also, that will be also this will not be visible in the top view also. So for that
Hmm.
reason, in the top view also we have shown in the dotted lines.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Everyone are clear with this one now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
So can you just draw a rough sketch for this one also? Because once we have completed understood one or two problems, that's it. Orthographic view is completely over. So just give a simple try of this one now. The arrow mark indicates that is the front view, and the left side view is there, and the top view will be there. Everyone, are you able to see the drawing?
Yes, sir. We try.
Yes,
Please,
sir.
please. Thank you, thank you.
Yes, sir. We are saying it. We are trying
Yeah,
to,
yeah,
to
yeah,
draw the.
yeah. Please, please. Take your time. Anyways, after my class, I'll share all the drawings with the answers also. You'll receive the same. Now you can just have a rough sketch for understanding purpose. Yes, sir. It is completely about imagination. You have to imagine and you have to just draw the same, because all the dimensions are there will be direct dimensions. In few drawings there will be indirect dimensions, and few drawings they will not give the dimension also. We have to imagine the dimension and we have to just draw in order to complete the 2D figure. Few things we need to just put some dimension and complete the same. Yeah, people, have you completed?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shall I show the answers then? You can just cross check with the same.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Everyone, you're getting your front view like this. Just cross check with this one
Yes,
now.
sir.
75 mm
It's
is
matching.
visible. Fantastic then. And height, you'll get the same height in the front view. In the top view, you'll get a figure like this with 75 mm and this 22, 22, 44 plus this particular rectangle will be there, and these two cut portions will be there. And in the left hand side view, you'll get a view like this, almost similar. If you've got perfect, well and good. If not, once you start practicing, you'll easily get, because this is complete imaginary subject. Almost similar with this one now.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
yes, sir. Same.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic then. And this is one particular thing. And if you see here alone front view is given here. If you see in this drawing, front view is given here. So here there will not be any left hand side view. Here right hand side view will be there. If you see here, because in right hand view only complete picture is visible. So right hand side. So for that reason, this will be your front view. And what you are seeing from here will be your right hand side view. and this will be a top view. So if you see, now if you see here, in the front view which is visible, this 80 mm is visible, as well as this 20 mm is visible. And they have given total height. The total height of this one here, this particular thing, 64. 64 height, this from this particular top portion till the bottom portion, 64 is given. So 80 by 64 is the height of this one now. So in that 80 mm distance, this but these both circles will not be visible in the front view. So we have shown in dotted lines. Similarly, the inside circle, the inner circle is not visible in the front view. So they have shown in dotted particular thing. Remaining things will look like a box only. Remaining this circle, outer circle will look like a box only. So if they are shown in box, and in the top view, if you see the top view, you'll be able to see these both circles and a straight line. This will be shown as a straight line. So they have shown in a straight line, and these both circles, smaller circles, will be visible. So they're on this one. The only thing which is not visible is this particular portions in the top view. If you see here, this cut portion is there. This cut portion is
Yeah.
not visible in the top view. So for that reason, they have shown in dotted lines. And in this side view, this is your right side view. Right side view, if you see here, this hole is not visible. So for that reason, they have shown in dotted lines. Similarly, this inner circle is not visible. They have shown in dotted lines.
Sir.
And now if you see here, this particular line, we don't know from where to start and where to end. So for that reason, here if you see, this side view is completely imaginary thing, because in front view and top view you will get perfect dimension, and the side view if you see here, this particular line distance, they have shown this 64 here. So that 64 line, you should take this particular point and this particular distance. So height is visible in your front view. So based on the front view, you will be able to draw your right side view. So whenever you draw, converting your orthographic drawings, first and foremost thing you have to do is draw your front view. So first and foremost thing, you have to complete your front view, then your top view, then because based on the front view only you'll be drawing your top view, and based on the front view only you'll be drawing your side view. Everyone are clear with this drawing? Any doubts in this one now?
No.
The only thing you have to know is, whichever is not visible in the direct view, we have to show in dotted lines. That is the only difference here. This dotted line indicates hidden parts. So there is a hole, but it is not visible in the front view. So you are shown in dotted lines. Clear with this drawing?
Yes, sir.
So you have understood the concept of what is orthographic projections. Orthographic projections is nothing but converting a 3D figure into a 2D figure. You have to show the 3D figure into a 2D figure. In cases, if 2D figure is given, you need to convert the same into a 3D figure. So it is all about imagination. You have to imagine the same and you have to draw the same. So any doubts in these drawings now?
Sir, I have one question.
Yes, sir. Please, sir.
The the right side view, you take the angle on the right side view. So how we have to assume it, or we have to?
It is a pure assumption only, because we have no clear idea from where it will come. The only thing we know is height is known. So from this particular point to this particular point, height is known. And the distance 18 and 18 is known, as well as this 36 is known. So this angle we have no idea. We have to just assume it.
Okay, sir. Okay. Clear.
Yes, thank you, sir. Others, you are clear with these drawings now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we have shown the orthographic projection converting a 3D figure into a 2D figure. Later classes, if possible, we will convert the 2D figures into 3D figures. So if you're familiar with this one, well and good. Or if you need few homework drawings, I'll share the drawings also. You can just try as homeworks. It's simple, 1 or 2 drawings.
Yes,
Clear
sir. You
with this
can
one
share
now?
1 or 2 drawings for us so we can
So
practice.
that you can just give a try. Even the same,
Yes.
these drawings which I've shown with the answers, I'll just give you as a question also. So that now if you see, you'll clearly understand. But once you start drawing in a paper, you'll get doubts, so that you can just give a try also.
Sir, are you sharing them on the student portal or on the WhatsApp group?
Now WhatsApp group, I'll send the people to share with you people. It will be reaching you soon. Once the class
Okay.
is done, I'll share the pictures so that it will be reaching you.
Okay, sir.
These kinds of simple drawings are there. Now, if you're able to see the drawings, you can easily draw, because once you have shown these drawings, if you see, these simple drawings will be visible, easy for you people. Just whatever is
Sir,
visible.
Sir, I
Yes,
have
sir.
a question.
sir, can you try with us on tough one?
Now,
Yes, sir. No.
Sir, a quick question. You said pi means what?
you can just have a try of this one now.
Sir, you said pi means what?
Sorry, sir.
Pi.
That indicates diameter.
Diameter. Okay.
Diameter. R will be given as radius, and this phi indicates diameter. 2 holes with a
R is
diameter
radius,
of 10.
pi diameter. Okay.
Diameter.
Mm.
So,
For
sir,
now,
shall we try the tough one?
now tough one in the sense, here in the class, I'll give you as homework so that you can just give a try there.
Mm.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And if any doubts, we can just discuss in the next class.
Because if you know the tough one right now, so we can assume as we can practice. Without
Almost
practice,
this is once you have known, because the only thing here is imagination. So if you have known this one, remaining drawings are simple only. Because
okay, sir.
almost all drawings will be like this only.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay.
this will be much simple for this. That is the reason I showed with the answer of this particular drawing.
Okay, sir. It's fine.
Clear means you have time, so you can just practice this drawing now, as well as I'll give you 2 drawings. So you can just have a rough sketch and try to complete this one now.
Sir, can
So
you
the
show
only
me
thing
the
is known
third
as
drawing?
whichever is visible on. So yes, sir.
That third drawing, can you could show on time?
This one, sir.
Previously, yes, this one. This one I have
Yes, sir.
one doubt.
Yes,
Or
sir. Please,
top
sir.
view. Top
Yes, sir.
view,
In
that
top view.
third, they are mentioning in circle 36 and dia 22. They are mentioning in near
No.
bottom. They are mentioning 36.
Which one, sir? This
Yes,
36 is
that
here
that
given
that
here.
that bottom 36 they are mentioning, but
Yes,
here
sir.
only that not mentioning for dotted line. They are clearly mentioning na 36.
36 is visible in the
Dimension.
top view, no, sir. In the top view, it will
Yes,
be visible.
but they are not mentioning in black line in top
No
view.
need to. So in the top view, if you see here in the top, if you see this outer circle as well as inner circle will be visible. This 22
No, sir,
mm
that
diameter.
nearby 36
This
mm.
th-
That one, that
this
part, yes.
this 36 is visible, sir.
Bottom.
Bottom this.
Bottom, sir.
These both.
Yeah, no. They are mentioning in 15. That nearby right side, yes.
This 15, sir.
Yes, that portion.
That portion is
right side.
Here.
Yes, sir, here.
This one, sir.
Right side, sir. That small. Yes, that one.
This one, if is here, that is the axis line, sir. That is the axis line. If you see this particular axis line will be shown in the dotted lines.
No, sir. I'm asking acceleration and we are seeing, but that mentioning in between that gap, that some cut portion is there in top view. They are not mentioning in top view.
So this cut portion, sir, you are telling?
No sir, no sir. In top side 36 they are mentioning in arrow side.
So actually this line is not any dotted portion. This line indicates this is the axis line. So in this particular drawing, if you see here, this axis line, if you see this axis line, from the front view, you have a axis line. The same is shown in the top view. So that is your axis line. That is not any dotted portion.
No sir, I'm asking in here.
Yes,
I
sir.
mention in 36 we are mentioning in cut post here na. In top view they are no mentioning from here. That's why I'm asking.
So in top view, it is visible. This circle is
Yes.
visible, so need not mention in dotted lines. If
In
you see from
nearby that small port.
this one, this 22 mm as well as this 36 mm, no sir. So you are telling about this 36 mm and 22 mm or what, sir? Which one, sir?
No, sir. I'm telling that center line they are not mentioning here.
Where here, sir? In top view or in front?
Here.
This center line.
Yes, that center line. No, sir. Here, left side.
Here, sir.
36 where they are mentioning that arrow mark start point.
Arrow mark is complete. This radius, this diameter is 36 mm.
Sir, he's not telling you about this one. He's telling about on the front view. You can see on the middle of there is a 36 mm. They are marking,
but
it
distance.
is not visible in
yes.
on the.
This distance.
He was telling about that, but the distance will be not showing here in the top view because it only is solid
yes,
one.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Exactly.
That was he was asking, but the top view is exactly right, sir. But he's have some, I think, confusion. That's why he was asking you.
Okay, sir. So if you see in the top view, this 36 will be visible, sir. This dot line will be visible. So that is the reason they have given us 36 mm here.
But there is a dotted line, but maybe I think he cannot see. So that's why he is asking you.
Yes, sir. Maybe the only thing is the axis line will be shown in dotted, sir. Axis line, this center axis line will be shown in dotted. So you should not get confused between continuous. This line indicates continuous, dotted line indicates it is hidden parts, and the longer line and the shorter line indicates the axis line.
Okay, sir. Now it's clear.
Okay, fine, sir. So anyways, I'll just share few drawings so that you can have a practice, sir. Now, other than that, any doubts in this orthographic view, projection, the front view, the top view and the side view? And the only difference here is, if you see in this particular drawing, in maximum drawings, front view was in this particular side. And this one, in few drawings, front view will be given here. So what will be the side view here, sir? It will be your right side view, not your left side view. So right side view will be drawn on the left hand side of the drawing. Front view will be here below the top view, and right side view will be on the left hand side. That is the only difference, because we get confused with only on that one, front view, top view and the side view. So side view here in this particular drawing, the maximum portion shown is in the side view, right side view. So that right side will be drawn in the left hand side.
Okay, sir.
Everyone are clear with this one?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes,
clear.
Thank you. Then I think you can just close with this orthographic projections for now. And everyone, thank you for your patience listening. And it was interactive,
sir,
because other session was kind of a one way. Yes, sir. I'll share the drawings.
Okay, sir. But I was new here, sir, so that's why I'm asking.
No issues, sir. No issues. I'll share the drawings for your practice purpose, as well as what I've thought now. I'll share with the answers also.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.